Today I am going to discuss operation on sets, union of sets. Let A and B be two sets. The union of A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs either to A set A or to set B or to both A and B. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. So A union B we have to take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then after 7, 9, 10. 7, 9, 10. So repeated element should not be here. We should not write two times. Only one time. Means distinct elements we have to write. So see here 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 and 3, 5 is a common element. So common element is here. And then after 7, 9, 10. 7, 9, 10 in the set B. And this is the common elements and U is the universal set. Through Venn diagram we have explained here also. Now suppose if I am taking another element, another set C, 3, 4, 7, 9, 12, 13, 15. Then A union B union C, we have to take all those elements. Means all the distinct elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after see here 7, then 9, 10, 12, 13 and 15. So see here through Venn diagram, U is the universal set represented in a rectangular box. So see here this is the set A and this is set B and this is the set C. So 1, 2 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in set A, in set B here 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, in set C 3, 4, 7, 9, 12, 13, 15. So see here 3, 4, 7, 9, 12, 13 and 15. Here 3 is common in all 3 sets and 4 is common in A and C and 7 and 9 is common in B and C and 5 is common in A and B and 3 is common for all the sets. Intersection of sets. Let A and B be two sets. The intersection of A and B is the set of all those elements that belongs to both A and B. It means the elements belongs to both A and B both. See here for example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 1, 3, 9, 12, then A intersection B is equal to 1, 3. See here 1 and 3 is common. So here this area represents A intersection B and 1, 3. This is the set A and this is set B and U is the universal set in the rectangular box. So example number 2. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and C is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So first of all find out A intersection B. So A intersection B, so see here 2 and 2. So 2 is common here, so write here. So 4 is common and 6 is common. So this is the part of A intersection B. This area is A intersection B. Now therefore A here C. Here and C is a 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Another set C. Now here A intersection B is 2, 4, 6. So now check here from this one which one is common. So 4 is common, 6 is common. So it means 4 and 6 is common. Then it means A intersection B intersection C is 4, 6. and 4, 6 is here. See here, it is common in all three sets A, B and C. So this is A intersection B intersection C is 4, 6. So now we are going to find out disjoint sets. So see here, two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if A intersection B is equal to 5, means null sets. So see here in the diagram, A and B is the disjoint set because their intersection is 5. See here, A intersection A, if A intersection B is equal to 5, see here, both set A and set B is separated. So here there is no element is common. So A intersection B is equal to 5. If A intersection B is equal to 5, then we can say that the two sets are disjoint set. For example, suppose A is a set 1, 3, 5 odd number and B is a set 2, 4, 6. So A intersection B is equal to 5, means disjoint sets.